You ever look at your bank account and think, how do I make more money than I did 2 years ago, but somehow feel more broke? You swear you should have an extra $300, maybe $500 left every month, yet it just disappears. Here's the thing, nobody decides to ruin their budget. Lifestyle creep isn't loud, it's not impulsive, it's quiet. It hides in tiny upgrades, tiny conveniences, tiny I deserve this choices that feel harmless, until suddenly you're spending an extra $300 to $800 a month and can't explain how. Today we're breaking down 7 lifestyle creep traps that drain your money without you noticing, with real numbers, real psychology, and real fixes. Introduction. What's up, guys? My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about why our expenses quietly balloon even when our lifestyle doesn't change as much as we think. If you're someone who makes good money but still feels financially stuck, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. All right, let's get into it. Trap number 1, the subscription cascade. Hidden drain, $75 to $220 a month. Most people think they're spending maybe $50 a month on subscriptions. But according to a C+R research study, Americans underestimate their subscription spending by 122%. They guessed $86. They were actually spending $219. And here's what most people don't realize. Subscription creep isn't one decision. It's a chain reaction. Netflix to Hulu to HBO to Prime to Audible to Headspace to cloud storage to one more little thing. None of these feel expensive alone, but stacking only $8 7 times is how you lose $150 to $200 every month. And here's the wild part. Your brain doesn't feel the pain. The excitement happens when you sign up. The charge happens 30 days later when you forgot. Fix. Once every quarter, scroll through your bank account and ask, what did I forget I was paying for? Cancel aggressively. You'll save at least $40 to $80 instantly. Trap number 2, convenience inflation. Hidden drain, $110 to $260 a month. Look, convenience is the most addictive form of lifestyle creep. It starts small, grocery pickup to grocery delivery, cooking to meal kits to prepared meals, standard Uber to Uber Comfort, walking to Instacart. Once you upgrade your time, the old version feels like work. Here's a reality check. Food delivery costs $15 to $25 more per order. Fees, markups, tips. 2 deliveries a week are $120 to $200 a month. That's a car payment you're eating. Psychology, when you're tired and stressed, convenience feels like survival, but it's not saving you time. It's costing you money and making basic tasks feel too hard. Fix, pick one convenience you downgrade each week. Not all of them, just one. Your brain adjusts surprisingly fast. Trap number 3, the social upgrade trap. Hidden drain, $80 to $180. As you get older and friends earn more, your social life auto upgrades. It used to be $12 movies, $6 beers, cheap brunch. Now it's $30 cocktails, $40 dinners, $90 concert tickets, $65 activities. Nobody planned the upgrade, it just happened. But here's what most people don't realize. Lifestyle creep comes through your calendar, not your wallet. 2 nicer outings a month, there goes $150 without noticing. Fix. Set a simple social rule. 2 premium outings per month, everything else low cost. Most friends will actually be relieved. Trap number 4, micro upgrades. Hidden drain, $60 to $150. Micro upgrades are tiny, harmless improvements that stack dangerously. Upgrading a latte by $2, upgrading your gym, upgrading your phone plan, buying a nicer bottle of skincare, paying for express shipping. Individually, who cares? It's only a few dollars. Combined, $100 to $150 a month disappears. And here's what most people don't realize. Lifestyle creep comes from repeated, small decisions, not big ones. Fix. Each month, ask, what did I upgrade that I don't actually value? Roll it back for 30 days. If you don't feel a difference, keep the downgrade. Trap number 5, the paycheck expansion zone. Hit and drain $70 to $160. A lot of people overspend only the first week after payday. Why? Behavioral economists call this the liquidity effect. Your brain sees a full bank account and thinks you're richer, spends more freely, even if your income didn't change at all. Overspend $20 per day for 6 days or $120 per paycheck. If paid bi-weekly, $240 a month just gone. Fix, move 10 to 20% of your paycheck to savings the moment you're paid. Shrink the expansion zone before it starts. If the money isn't visible, you won't spend it. Trap number 6, home lifestyle drift. Hit and drain $90 to $220. When your home upgrades, even slightly, everything else tries to upgrade with it. Nice apartment, suddenly your old furniture looks cheap. Then the rug, then the lighting, then the decor, then the kitchen gadgets, then the groceries. You didn't get a nicer home, you got a more expensive life. Even without moving, drift still happens. Decor refreshes, candle upgrades. Seriously, why are they $28 now? Nicer cleaning products, better groceries, more AC or heat for comfort. Total, easy $100 to $220 a month. Fix, list the 3 home items that actually improve your life. Your bed, your desk, your lighting, whatever. Only upgrade those. Everything else gets a 30-day wait. Trap number 7, the future you trap. Hit and drain $100 to $300. This is the most expensive trap. It's when you buy things for a version of yourself that doesn't exist yet. Premium workout apps, planners, courses, nicer clothing, upgraded car, supplements, new routines, higher-end gear. Here's the psychology. Buying self-improvement products gives your brain the same dopamine as actually improving. It feels like progress even if nothing changed, and that's why it's expensive. Fitness creep alone can hit $150 to $250 a month between memberships, clothing, supplements, classes. Fix, before buying anything self-improvement related, ask, have I proven I'll use this through the free version first? If not, don't upgrade yet. Why all 7 traps happen? The psychology. There are 4 forces driving lifestyle creep. 1. Reward seeking. Stress equals convenience spending. Fast dopamine. 2. Identity signaling. Income rises, spending rises to match. 3. Normalization drift. Once you experience an upgrade, the old version feels worse. 4. Liquidity effect. A full bank account tricks your brain into feeling you can spend freely. None of this is stupidity, it's predictable psychology. The 30-day action plan to reclaim $300 to $800 per month. This is your practical, no-suffering plan. Step 1. The 15-minute money autopsy. Go through the last month's transactions. Mark everything that made you go, why did I buy that? This instantly shows your personal creep pattern. Step 2. Choose 3 high ROI cuts. Not sacrifices, just painless cuts. 1 to 2 debt subscriptions, 1 convenience downgrade, set outing limits, pause micro upgrades, slow home thrift, block future me spending for 30 days. You'll save $150 to $350 here alone. Step 3. Spend only on joy, time, or stability. Every dollar should either increase joy, increase time, or increase long-term security. Otherwise, skip it. Step 4. The 30-30 rule. Over $30, wait 30 hours. Over $100, wait 30 days. Impulses vanish. Step 5. Make a 5-star expenses list. Write the 5 things you love spending money on. Everything else becomes optional. This increases happiness while reducing spending. Final motivation. Look, You're not bad with money. You're not irresponsible. You're not making dumb choices. You're human. Lifestyle creep is what happens when modern life becomes slightly easier, slightly nicer, slightly more convenient. But you worked hard for your money. You should be in control of it. Once you understand the psychology, you can beat all 7 traps, and suddenly you're saving $300, $500, even $800 a month without feeling deprived. Call to action. If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and comment which trap hit you the hardest. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.